What if your videos could seamlessly connect with multilingual audiences both inside and outside your organization? From training employees to launching products worldwide.
AI.
AI is making video localization and globalization more accessible than ever. In the modern business landscape, communication is key. Whether you're training your workforce, onboarding new partners, or sharing your brand story across borders, the ability to localize and globalize video content has never been more important. But the question is, how do you make it all quick, seamless, scalable, and cost-effective? The tool we're going to talk about today is making it possible by enabling translation and dubbing of any video content with the help of AI. With this tool, you can bring videos from anywhere and dub them from any language to any language, covering most global and regional languages in just a few clicks. Let us start by bringing a video from YouTube. Let's play this video.
All right, guys, it's Andy Elliott. I'm going to talk about 3 simple ways to get people to say yes. It's very simple, okay?
Simply copy the video link and paste it on the app. This tool can automatically detect the language of your video. Choose from any of the 50 translation languages this app supports. Let's choose to translate this video into Hindi, Indonesian, and Portuguese. You can also choose the natural gender-based voiceover option. To dub this video, let's choose male voice option. Simply click on proceed and it will begin translating your video. While the video translation is in progress, this tool offers a quick time estimate for its completion. After a short while, our video is now dubbed. This tool auto-detects original audio, dubs them, while also generating auto caption and subtitles in all the chosen languages. Isn't that amazing? Now let's play each of these original and translated audio and subtitle tracks one by one.
All right, guys, it's Andy Elliott. I'm going to talk about 3 simple ways to get people to say yes. It's very simple, okay? Number 1, you got to be the authority, okay? Write this down. Some of you guys don't write stuff down. That's why you never get better. You got to be the authority, okay?
अधिकारी बनना होगा, ठीक है? इसका क्या मतलब है? अपनी मुद्रा पर ध्यान दें, अपने खड़े होने के तरीके पर गौर करें, अपने चलने के तरीके पर ध्यान दें, अपने बात करने के तरीके पर गौर करें, अपनी आंखों के संपर्क को देखें। क्या आपकी आंखें मुस्कुरा रही हैं? क्या आपका मुंह मुस्कुरा रहा है? क्या आप दिल से बोलते हैं या मुंह से? लोगों को यह विश्वास दिलाएं कि आप ही विशेषज्ञ हैं और आप जो करते हैं उससे आपको प्यार है। यदि ऐसा लगता है कि आप जो काम करते हैं उससे आपको प्यार है,
Então eles não veem você encarando isso como um trabalho. Eles veem você como alguém que encara isso como algo pessoal e que significa muito para eles. Eles veem você, significa muito para eles. Normalmente eles vão se inclinar a dizer sim para você porque querem algo que você tem. Ou então como você obteve as informações deles ou como elas chegaram até você. Você me entende? Bisa sampai di hadapan Anda? Kau mengerti maksudku? Jadi nomor 1 yang pasti adalah kepercayaan diri.
You can choose to share or download this translated video, subtitles, and audio files to make it accessible to your larger audience. The name of this amazing AI tool is Panini Translate. You can access this tool by going to paninitranslate.ai. Whether it's for translating internal use videos.
Welders should position their heads outside of the welding plume to reduce welding fumes entering the breathing zone.
Dear customers, we are proud and happy to announce that Hapag-Lloyd and USC have become one single company.
Be all you can be.
Be all you can be.
Be all you can be. Be all you can be.
Be all you can be.
Be all you can be.
Be all you can be.
Hi, I'm Mike Darrow, and welcome to TrueCar. You made a great decision to join us, and we're thrilled to have you on board.
Or whether it's for translating videos for global use.
Pixel technologies are relied on in thousands of buildings across the globe.
Turn your ideas into videos. Go to artlist.io and get everything you need all in one place.
With Promo, you can promote a new sale or big announcement.
Media, the biggest marketplace platform in Indonesia, is seeing that by using a combination of AMP and PWA, they're seeing 5 times higher conversions on their website.
Panini Translate ensures your videos resonate across languages and cultures. Are you getting ready to localize and globalize your company videos today? Then check out paninitranslate.ai. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe for more insights into how AI is transforming the way businesses communicate. Until next time, happy translating.